Hey everyone, it's Yami, your Latina next door, and I am back with another video for you guys. And I apologize if you see a glare in my glasses. I don't normally wear these when I do videos, but my oldest graciously gave me her pink eye, and I am recovering from it, but still not good enough to put my contacts back in. And as you know, most people like to start off the year organizing and purging because we all want that fresh start so we can have a more efficient and better year, right? But one of the things that usually gets really unorganized are our kitchen cabinet drawers and drawers that you find in like a laundry room. For example, mine. We're lucky to have cabinets and drawers in this laundry room. We didn't have any in our last house, but I'm determined to keep them organized, and that is what I've done. So I knew that I wanted to keep items there that I didn't necessarily want to keep in my kitchen, but I knew I was going to need throughout the year and needed a place where they could be easily accessible. Now, I went to my local Dollar Tree and I found a couple of inexpensive items that not only will make it easy for me to organize, but also make the drawers look nice. And we all want that, right? And I also have a couple of really simple hacks that not only will help you create the same organizational systems in your drawers, but also keep them looking nice. So I hope this actually gives you a couple of good ideas and you can get started on your drawer organization too. So as you can see, these drawers were an absolute mess. I had so many random things in there and, just different cleaning stuff. I had trash, I had painter's tape, all sorts of stuff. And I was just ready to organize this because I did not want to live like this forever, especially after just redoing my entire laundry room. So as you know, I purchased this home from previous owners and the drawers were already very well lived in, so I gave them a really good cleaning, just wiped them down and got all the dust and gunk out of the drawers. Then here comes my first hack. My first hack is parchment paper. When trying to fit drawer liners in your drawers, it's best to use something like this. Parchment paper is very easy to crease, and therefore by just putting it in there and folding in the ends, you can create the perfect template for your drawer liners. Then after I cut out my liners using that template, I use my second hack, and that's double-sided clear tape. Now you know how when you put liners in your drawers, they tend to shift, and that is so annoying. But placing 4 pieces in each of the corners will make it so much easier for you to keep that in place. I'm telling you, they will not budge. Then I took really pretty acrylic containers that I got at my local Dollar Tree, and these were only $1, so they're really inexpensive, and they look really good. And then I just kind of played around with their placement to see how they would work best for my needs. I also got these cute little small white ones because as you see there, the left drawer had kind of a smaller opening because of the containers that I chose. And the next thing you want to do is put double-sided tape underneath the containers. So you tape the liner onto the drawer and then you tape the container onto the liner, and they will stay in place because once you start opening those drawers when they have things in them, you will see everything shift. But this keeps it in place, and the best thing is that it's clear tape, so you don't even know that it's there. And then one thing to remember is when you start placing all of your items back in the drawers is to remove as many as you can from their containers. By doing so, you eliminate a lot of things that don't need to be in the drawers and take up space. Things like Velcro, command strips, the little dots, you name it. Those are the things that you usually need in a pinch anyways. So it's best to just go in, open up the drawer, and grab them instead of having to fiddle with any kind of packaging. Now, something else that I actually like to have on hand are these little felt pads, and I like to have them on package as well because I put those underneath my furniture feet so that they don't damage my hardwood floors, and usually I need one in a pinch because one popped off and I need to replace it right away. So it helps keeping them opened up and ready for use whenever I just need to go in and grab one. And this is my throwaway pile. Can you believe all that extra stuff was in those drawers? And there you have it. Those are my organized drawers with all the things that I need to grab right away. And I wish I can say that this little section of my cabinets were used for something efficient, but no. My oldest took it upon herself to create a cute little nook and get away from her siblings. And there you have her little corner in my laundry room. I really do hope that you were able to enjoy this quick video. It's a really simple process, it doesn't take too much time, and it doesn't cost a lot of money. And if you want to tackle all your drawers, just make sure you tackle them a couple at a time. And then by using the same liners and the same baskets throughout, you will see that it will all look very professionally done, cohesive, and really aesthetically pleasing when it comes to your drawers. If you would like to see more videos like this, please hit that little red button right there and subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it. And if there's anything that you want to see me organize in my home and give you ideas, please put them in the comments below so that I know what to create next. And I will see you guys in the next video.